Good morning, peoples. That was Russell's way of saying good morning by rubbing up against the camera. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. It is Saturday morning. We are headed to the beach this morning. Light, please. And Russell is awake and energized. Just like kitties do. Currently, he's chewing on a power cord. Russell, what are you doing? Why are you chewing on the cord? Why? He doesn't get it sometimes. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing awesome. Let's get this day on the road. He is a nut. Anyway, we are getting ready to go to the beach right now. The sun is shining, the tank is clean, and we are getting out of here. The tank is clean. Hope you guys are doing awesome. We're just getting ready to go. Getting some Dunkin' Donuts before we head to the beach. Are you excited to go to the beach, baby? We are on our way, headed to spend the day at the beach. So exciting. Food. We're down in Bath right now, almost ready to get off the beaten path, and this is where I used to live, like down here, and I love this area, and I kind of miss it, but it's fun to be driving through it and just, you know, just see it. Just brings back so much nostalgia. Nostalgia, my friend. You guys excited for the beach? Beach, come get your wave. Alright, we're taking this road here. Off-roading it. I don't care what they say. Ooh, what are they putting in there? Wow. That looks radical, man. Alright, let's get to the beach. Currently waiting for a spot to open up at the park. Oh my gosh. They're the ones that stopped. We made it in.
Oh yeah, do we need
Yes. Yeah, $6 I think per person. We made it to the beach, into the park area too, which is awesome. We thought we'd have to walk, but we didn't. The cop was super nice, so kudos to you, police officer, PD, PPD. All right, waiting for the girls to use the bathroom, and then we're gonna head to the beach. But it is beautiful, probably 83, 85 out, something like that, and sunny, which is amazing. Yep. C'est magnifique. Lovely ocean, love it.
I don't know if we took a subway or if we walked or whatever, but we're like, okay, so the latest.
Well, climb, baby, climb. Get the lighthouses and everything. So beautiful up here. So pretty! You can see the whole beach from here. It's pretty big too. You're not in the water. Run, Lydia. I dare you to run straight in and dive in. I have my phone with me. Here, baby.
They are crazy. It is freezing.
Lunchtime. I don't think I was recording that whole time. We're here sunning in the sand, in the sun, on the beach. Ah, so nice. Much wavier on this side. Having fun, baby?
Yeah.
There's a ton of little bugs in the water. And look at, I'm buried. Goodbye, beach. We are headed off to get some ice cream and saying goodbye to the beach. It was a beautiful day. What do you think, baby? Happy we went?
Yes.
What did you think of today?
It was fun. Got lots of sun.
Fun in the sun for little Mun. Off to get some ice cream. Whoop whoop! Getting our ice cream. What size is that?
Small.
This is a medium. That's a small. It's huge. How is it, baby?
Soft serve, I think. It's good.
Goodbye, ice cream. It was good. Oh. Keisha's gonna be our pilot for this morning. Douglas is your co-pilot. Thank you for riding with Mazda Airlines. We're headed up. It's gonna be about an hour and a half up to our destination. Fasten your seatbelts. Please put your seats in the upright position and enjoy. We're home now. Check it out. Russell's still alive. I think he was sleeping because when we came in, he was like wild. Yeah, you want to say hi to the people of the world? Give him a shout. He loves you guys. We're now headed we're headed over to Keisha's family's house. I took 2 like allergy medicine things to try to get my bee sting to go down, but it's making me feel super loopy and lethargic, and I can't form anything in my brain really. Hope you guys are doing awesome. We've had a fantastic day so far. We're heading over there to hang out. It's just a couple of them there. Most of them are off at a boxing match watching, so we are gonna go see the people who are left. It's just some of the younger kids and Keisha's mom. We're going to have ice cream with them. Yay! How are my ears looking? Squeaky's eating ice cream.
I'll probably take a spoon soon.
So cute. It's so warm in here. Oh. We are about ready to have ice cream. Second ice cream of the day. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We have a very wild kitten. He was sleeping when we got here and we woke him up and now he's like crazy.
And we left him alone all day.
Yeah.
So
anyway,
it didn't help.
He's running himself around right now, playing with his scratch house thing, and which is good. We are back from our big day, and it was a day filled with stuff. It wasn't like our wedding day or anything.
No, I mean, I thought you already said that.
Did I?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm less loopy than I was. He's running around somewhere. Anyway, we're going to go to bed now because I have to get up uber early. I think he just hit himself on the wall.
I think he ran into the door.
Oh, man. We are going to go to bed. Got to get up super early tomorrow, but we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And if you're not new, thanks for watching and supporting us. And if you're semi-new, I don't know. Baby, do you have any last tidbits?
No.
Okay.
Put sunscreen on. It's
That's a good idea.
Keisha got burned a little bit. I got burned a little bit. Lydia got burned a little bit. My sister.
Because I never get burned, so that's why I didn't.
Yeah.
Come here.
Uh-oh.
He couldn't quite make it
Get
up
a
the bed.
wild kitty with us. Hey, Bubba.
Russell, come on.
He's behind us. All right, Russell. Say goodnight. Well, and he's out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.